Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how Face Unlock works on the smartphone. So we are going to make the small test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's make the first try. Okay, it recognized my face, so we can start with the test. I'm sitting in a good position. So let's go. So I can say right now that this Face Unlock method works faster than fingerprint sensor. Of course, I will show you after the test. The good point is that for the few tries it recognizes our face, I mean my face, for every time. And as I said before, it works really fast, so that's really good. Okay, so right now just take a look how the fingerprint sensor works. As you can see, it takes a little bit longer to unlock phone. So definitely Face Unlock is better way to unlock your smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.